Hello again, everyone. Well, I've made a few adjustments on my high current transformer. I couldn't get the coil tight enough, so I figured maybe put some bolts in there for some metal, might help carry the magnetic field. Otherwise, that's basically the same hose clamps there. One thing I did do is put some bolts on there because the aluminum wire, and just from the heat of like melting screws and stuff, it tends to melt the wire. So save the wire, put some steel on there. Well, let's see how it handles some of my old wire that I end up wrecking in my old wire with 6-gauge wire. And I've added a switch. Don't really need a switch, just I can flip it on and off when I need to. A little easier than trying to plug it in and hold the camera at the same time. Has a little buzz to it. Just hear the power. I need to invest in a better camera. Got it finally. This just shows how well my old wire worked. The wire I'm hanging on to ain't even getting hot. Not even warm. Well, not yet. It does get warm, but not that fast. The insulation way up the wire is even melting. Ow. There's a pop can.